Hi guys, welcome back to my bubble, and in today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be eating some birria tacos. This is my first time trying them and I've been like dying to try them, and I'm so excited because I'm starving. I've waited all day to eat 3 little tacos. This is what we got. This is what it's looking like. I think it has, I don't know, it got chicken, it has pico de gallo, it has cheese, all of that, as you can see, onions, the greens. I got my guac right here, and I have the very funny looking Consomé. It has meat inside, as you can see. It's a little bit spicy. I already went ahead and I tried it, but it's really good. So as I mentioned in my last video, this is going to be part 2 of my updated Q&A. I don't have a whole bunch of questions. I thought I did. It's only like about 6 questions, I think, maybe. So I will be answering those in this video. I also have some ginger out here because, you know, we gotta get them burps going. And for dessert, I have some churros. Let me open it up for you guys so you can see. Some churros with the melted chocolate. Yum. Anyways, how have you guys been? It is Saturday. How's it going? How's your weekend looking like? I'm here at my mom's house per usual. Alright, so I'm excited to take the first bite. I'm gonna dip it here. I love watching mukbangers do this. I swear I savor every moment with them. You ready? My brother's staring at me like I'm retarded. Wow, that's good. That's like really good. Look at that. Imagine eating like that on a first date. What a slob. Anyways, let's start with these questions, you guys, shall we? Alright, so the questions. Sorry, you guys. From Expose the Truth 7739. He asks, I think it's a he, but if I'm wrong, sorry. What is the most embarrassing thing that has ever happened to you? That's kind of hard because I've had a lot of embarrassing moments. I can't really think. Well, yeah, I could, and it actually happened yesterday. So I was at the bus. I was in the bus with my son and the twins. We were on our way here to New York. And you guys know my son is 14 and he's a fool and he's annoying and he's like very grumpy and he's nice when he wants to be. He loves to bother the twins. Like, he likes to annoy them. He likes to just mess with them. So obviously we're in a public bus, there's people all around. He starts messing with one of the girls. And this was like, it wasn't even a funny embarrassment. It was more like a kind of like a sad embarrassment where I felt like crying, so I kind of like just put my head down and I just left it alone. He started messing with one of the girls and she started whining and it was just getting annoying, and I'm just like, Jared, stop. And I kind of like hit him with my feet under the desk because we had like the table seat and everything, and he just kept going and going. So at that moment I felt people's eyes looking at me, like they were looking like, is that her son? Is he like not listening to her? I just felt at that moment like I had no control over my child. And I felt like people saw that. I was embarrassed. I was embarrassed on so many levels. So all I did was I just put my head down and I just kept playing on my phone. But inside, I wanted to cry. I wanted to strangle him. I wanted to punch the Keon in her freaking neck. And it was just, it was bad. It was embarrassing. It was a very uncomfortable, embarrassing moment for me. Yeah, yesterday. That was my brother, you guys. Alright. Next question. I feel like my nose is running. From ILGTF4928. What are some life goals you have fulfilled? None. And that's like seriously, none. Well, first of all, I don't really set goals for myself just because I feel like I don't follow through with them. Like all that New Year's resolution bullshit, I don't do none of that shit. Cause 2 weeks in and they're out the window. Seriously, like come on, let's be real. So I don't even do that to begin with. But I'm 33 and I have 4 kids. And to say that I haven't fulfilled not one goal sounds kind of sad. But it is what it is, no shame. Alright you guys, so I'm going to look through one of my videos. I got some questions there. My question, okay, from Daniel Staff 7905. He asked, Daniel, I think is a guy, it could be a girl, I don't know. My question for you is how many tattoos you have and which one is your favorite? I want to say 20 or 19. I don't know, I think it's 20. Yeah, 20. And I have 3 favorite tattoos. And the first one is the one I have here, which says never perfect. The second one is I have here, this too shall pass. No, you guys can't see it. And then one here, which is inner peace, and it's written in Bangladesh. So I've been branding myself since way before I started my YouTube channel. Hence the reason why I love my never perfect tattoo. Like it's just something that I've always lived by. Just because, you know, as a female, you crave perfection. We all do. And we never reach it. So it's no matter what it is that you do, no matter how gorgeous and beautiful you are, naturally or fake, you're still never perfect. There's always something. Or even in someone's eyes, there's always going to be something. So I've always went by that for a very, very, very long time. And I tattooed that on myself. If you hear my baby, she's in the living room with my mom. And the next one is this too shall pass. So when I got that tattoo, I think I was in my early 20s, mid 20s. I was 25, around there. And I was in this relationship with this guy. And I felt that relationship was like the funnest relationship I've had. And what I mean by fun, it was just like, there was never really a dull moment. It was just, we did what I wanted to do. It was just, I don't know, it was fun. That's just the way to describe it. But in that relationship, I feel like I discovered what anxiety means. Like, this person gave me so much anxiety, and now that I'm older, I look back and it's like, bro, you were so stupid. Like, I caught on anxiety over the smallest little dumbest things, and I just made it this huge negative world in my head, you know, to where I felt like, oh my god, this has to pass. Like, why me? This has to pass. And that's why I got that tattooed. But I do relate that in my everyday life. Because really, think about it, everything passes, whether good or bad. Everything passes. So if you're going through something bad, don't worry, this too shall pass. If you're going through something good, enjoy it, because it will pass. So I live by that. And my third favorite tattoo is the one I have right here, which says inner peace. Again, when I got this tattoo was when I was dating that person that I mentioned earlier, and it was kind of like towards the end of the relationship, and I just felt like my mind was I was just going through a very mental turmoil. Like it was chaotic in my brain. Again, it was in my brain. Like, I was younger, everything, I was just so dramatic about everything, and I still am, sort of, kind of. I just care less about a lot of things. And I just felt like I was just looking for peace. Like, I just wanted to find that inner peace within myself, where I just, not that I didn't care, but I just wanted to be at peace. I just wanted to be like in a zen, chill, mellow type of vibe, which I most definitely did not have when I was in my early 20s. Do I have it now? No, but we're getting there. We're getting there for sure. All right, so next question. Who else? Dan Stan 7526. What's the most interesting or unique thing you've ever eaten or drank? Hey Dan. That's hard. I guess I would say most interesting thing. I mean, this is my first time trying birria tacos. I mean, I don't think it's interesting. It's just tacos with meat sauce and cheese and, you know, just some messy taco food. I would say oysters. I mean, I don't think they're unique. I really can't think of anything, but I think oysters, mussels, octopus. I don't really like octopus. I like fried octopus. And drank, I don't know. This is so good, you guys. Wow. I can't think of anything. I mean, maybe a drink, like an actual alcoholic beverage. It was like spicy, and it has like, it tasted like, I don't know. It was just spicy. It tastes like a Mexican drink. It was weird. Oh, I got a fart. Small and bubbly. What other questions do I have? I don't think I had that many. I did mention that though. Okay, Shayla Orozco asks, hey girl, do you like it more now in Philly? You would do good if you had a podcast. I like things you say. Thank you. Do I like it more now in Philly? No, not really. 7 Natalie Antonio asked, hey girl, I've always wanted to know what your job is. What field do you work in? Any college? Do you enjoy your job? Just curious, no particular reason. I want to know. Just mere curiosity. What field do I work in? I work in administration. I went to school. I got my degree, my college degree, back in 2015, and I got my degree in public administration. After that, I just always worked in an office setting. I worked at my college for some time in the financial aid office, do administration work, and then after that I worked at a flower shop for 5 years. That was before I moved to Philly, and it was like the best job of my life. I did the office work there. That was family. I love that place. And then in Philly, I've had 2 jobs. The first one was at a nursing home. I did the front desk. I was there for 2 years, and Now I'm working at a private school in the main office. I'm about to have a year there in August. And do I like my job? I'm gonna just say this. The job I had here at the flower shop for 5 years was the best job of my life. So yeah. No job will ever beat that place. Like ever. Oh my god. I can still go for more, you guys. No lie. Three tacos. I need like 6. So that was Natalie's question. What else do I have? Oh, that's it. See, I told you it wasn't a lot of questions, but thank you nonetheless for those of you that did ask me, for those of you that are interested in just knowing about my life and about me and what I do and don't do, and you know, just things like that. Ooh. Quiero un par de churritos. Let's see how these churros are. I don't know why I'm wearing this. Like, why am I looking so preppy to eat something so messy? Don't ask. Again, background noise. My brother's here. My babies are here. Family, you know. You guys, I have a couple more videos coming up for you guys. It's just all different types, so if you see like just random videos popping up, just watch them, you know, just watch them. Or better yet, comment down below what you would like to see, and we'll see if I do it. We'll see. This Consomé sauce, bomb. Those tacos, bomb. First time trying it, bomb. These churros, bomb. Me, messy. Yum. I'm full. All right. That's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm so full. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.